Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to do a little walk around on a 1970 Mustang Fastback. This one's got a built 289 under the hood, aluminum radiator, power steer. Pretty good brakes on it. Got disc brakes in the front, drum in the rear. This is a Boss 302 clone. I'm sure you got that part when I said 289. Otherwise, it's in great condition. We're going to walk around it, point out any kind of flaws, issues that I can find. If there's a bubble in the paint, if there's a scratch, if there's any Bondo, I'm going to try to find it and point it out for you. We do that because we sell cars all over the nation. I don't want you driving up here and not knowing this car. We're going to try to help you out the best I can with a test drive video and a walk around video here. We also got close to 100 detailed pictures at maplemotors.com, so definitely check that out, along with financing and shipping information. So the front end on this one looks nice and clean. You see that bumper's already been replaced, and the grille looks pretty good as well. Not perfect though. There's a little chip right here. Looks like some scratch marks down here. We're gonna go ahead and do all of the lower panels first on this side, and then we'll work our way up to the midsection and so on. Tires are in great shape. Rims look pretty good. I love the stripes. They look good on there. There's a bubble in the corner of the door. Keep on running down, looking for any other bubbles or issues. There's a little bit right here. And here, coming up on the side of the car there. Back end looks pretty good. Heading on back to the midsection here. Door handle's been replaced. It's nice and clean. So is the little the trim around the windows. Everything's nice and clean looking on this one. You do got some little dimples popping up right there. Inside the track, there's a little chip. A big bubble there. A scratch in the paint right here. Coming on around the back end here. You got some pitting popping up in your reverse lights. Back bumper's in great shape. I got a magnet tag hanging off of it. Tail lights, bezels are awesome. Gas cap still showing a little bit of sign of wear there. The jam looks solid. Trunk lid's got fairly new weather stripping on it. Trunk looks pretty good. I leave messes. A little squeaky when it came down. A little bubble popping up there in the corner. We're gonna do the same thing down this side. Start on the lower panels. Back tires are in great shape. Got some bubbles popping up right here. The rest of the store's looking pretty good other than this spot right here. As soon as I spoke, that popped out. Little paint missing on top, that piece there. Let's head back this direction. Door handle looks pretty good, trim looks nice. That piece chip in there. Okay, we made it all the way around this car. Let's go ahead and check the interior out. Coming up on the door panel. Not looking too bad. The jamb looks pretty good. Weather strip is fairly new. Check the bottom side of the door. We got some rust. The bottom side of the door right here in the corner. See that popping up? A little bit of surface rust running through there. Worst spot is right there in the corner. The seat's in great condition. The carpet looks pretty good. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? Saggy headliner back here in the corners. Let's go ahead and jump in here and start her up. Gas gauge is coming up on the dash, showing 21,000 miles. Windshield wipers work. Radio does not work. Blower motor does work. Your gauges down here work are your oil pressure and your engine temp. Horn? No horn. Sounds like solid lifters. Foot comes down nice and easy. We're gonna look up under the front, go all the way around this car. I do have close to 100 detailed pictures at maplemotors.com. Definitely check that out. right, guys, I appreciate you watching this video. Getting ready to hop back in the car for the test drive. I was stopped over here to make this one. So definitely check out the test drive video. That way you know everything else about the car. You can check us out at maplemotors.com. I update my website every Monday with new inventory. If you see a car on the lot that is not on my website, it's not available. If you want financing and shipping information, go on over to my website. I have both of those on there. 100 detailed pictures and all the inventory. I appreciate you watching. It's about time to get back to that test drive. Let's get it.